Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson we're going to solve worded problems by using Venn diagram. Of course, you can download all the questions on the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Let's get into it. First one. So first of all, we know there are 60 students altogether. And 41 of them say they have a Facebook account. And then 21 of them say they have an Instagram account. And 5 say they have no social media account at all. Okay? So how many students only have a Facebook account? So to do this, we first draw a Venn diagram first. And then we know that we have either Facebook account or Instagram account. So we have two circles, okay? So let me just draw it out. There you go. So first of all, we have 60 students altogether. So 60 of them. And we know this is Facebook account. Just write F will do. F for Facebook. And Instagram, we just write I for Instagram. Okay? And 41 of them say they have a Facebook account. So 41. So this circle here is 41. Don't forget, okay, in this circle here. So please keep that in mind. And then 21 say they have an Instagram account. So 21 of them. So in here must be 21. So in another word, in this circle here must be 21. And next one is 5 say they have no social media account. So that means outside here is 5. Now, to solve this, first we need to find the intersection first. I just label X first. And remember, in this circle here must be 41. So we already have X. So therefore, Facebook only must be 41 minus X. Similarly, okay, this circle here, which is Instagram, must be 21. And we already have X inside the region. So this means that Instagram only is 21 minus X. Now, we just add them up. So this circle here, which is 41 minus X plus X is equal to 41. Okay? So I just write this down. So 41, which is the whole circle here. And then now we add 21 minus X. So I just write this down. Add 21 minus X. And don't forget to add this 5 as well. So which is add 5 is equal to 60 here. Okay. So equal to 60. So now we just need to solve the equation. So please keep that in mind. So I go 41 plus 21 is 62. Add 5 is 67. So I just move this up a bit. So 67 minus X is equal to 60. So therefore X must be 7 because 67 minus 7 is 60. So X is 7. So what I do now, I just go back to the diagram. I fill up all this information, okay? So X is 7. So this must be 7 here. 41 minus 7. So 40 minus 7 is 33. Add 1, 34. Otherwise, you can just use your calculator, of course. 21 minus 7. So 20 minus 7 is 13. Add 1 is 14. There you go. So now you can just answer the questions. So therefore, okay, for Facebook account only, 34 students have a Facebook account. Let's move on next questions. So please pause the video and try it to see if you can do it, okay? Hi, I'm back. Let's go through it together, okay? So first of all, we know that there are 30 students. So I just write 30 out here first. That's the first thing. And we know that 14 students have a cat. So I just write cat here. Okay, and then 14 of them. So I just write 14 in here. There you go. So in another word, this circle here must add up, give me 14. Okay, and the next one is 17 students have a dog. So we just write dog here. So just write 17 students have a dog. And we know that 5 students have no pets. So we just write 5 out here. So now to solve this, the intersections, we need to find that out first. To do this, we just label X first. And of course, because in this circle here is 14 and we already have X. So therefore, cat only must be 14 minus X. And in this circle here, add up, give me 17. So therefore, we already have X. So this must be 17 minus X. There you go. So now we just add them up. So in another word, 14 minus X plus X and plus 17 minus X plus 5 is equal to 30. But to do this easier, I know the largest number is 17. I use this circle. So this circle is 17. So I just write this down. So 17. And then I add this one here, which is plus 14 minus X. And then we add 5. This 5 here. So the answer is 30. So now I just solve the equation. So I go 17 plus 14 is 31. So plus 5 is 36. So I just move this up a bit. So 36 minus X is equal to 30. So therefore, X must equal to 6 because 36 minus 6 is 30. Now I just go back to the diagram and I fill up all the information. Then I can answer any questions I like. So 6 is the intersections, that is X. Then we go 14 minus X, 10 minus 6 is 4, add 4 is 8. Otherwise, of course, just use your calculator. And then 17 minus X, X is 6, don't forget. So 17 minus 6 is 11. There you go. So now the question is, how many students have both cat and dog? So cat and dog is here. The intersections have both cat and a dog. So we just go therefore. So therefore 6 students have a cat and a dog. Let's move on next one. Last one. So please stop the video and try it yourself first. Hi, it's me again. Let's go through it together. So we know that 50 people in a survey. Okay, so we just write 50 here first. And the next one is we know that from the survey, every household has at least one mobile phone. So this means that ours here must be 0. Okay? And 32 people have an Android phone. So I just write Android here. And there are 32 of them. Okay, 32. So 32 people. And we know that 16 people have both an Android phone and Apple phone. Okay, so I just write Apple phone here. Just write Apple we do. So we know that is 16. So 16 here, right in the middle. We already know that this circle here must be 32. And we already have 16. So therefore, we can use 32 minus 16. So 32 minus 16 is 16. There you go. And then we need to figure out what this one is. So Apple phone only. So we don't know. So just write X. But we do know this circle here is 32. Then we add X. And then we add this, but 0 anyway. We can just ignore that, which give me 50. So we just write out the equation first, okay? 32, that is this circle here, okay? Then we add this X. So which is plus X is equal to 50. Because you add 0 as well, but add 0 is, you can just ignore that anyway. So now to do this, I just go X is equal to 50 minus 32, okay? So we minus this 32 here. Of course, I minus 32 here as well. So 50 minus 30 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. So I just write 18 down. There you go. So now I just go back to the diagram and I fill up the information, okay? So X is 18, so just write 18 here. So therefore, I can just answer the question now. How many people have an Apple phone only? So only means, Apple phone only means this area here. So that is 18. So I just write therefore, 18 people have an iPhone only. Thank you so much for watching.